It is a perfect night to enjoy time on the lake, so let's head back to Hackensack where Frank and Chris hit the water for a little friendly competition.
Yeah, we are having a good time up here. This crowd is spectacular. We are back in Hack. Of course, we were here about 5 years ago in the wintertime, and Hackensack, a little known fact, is actually named after Hackensack, New Jersey. It was a post guy who came here and started the post office back in the 1800s that brought the name.
Yeah, and the thing that makes it so unique is all the lakes up here, and they are full of fish. So we went back out, we did a little friendly competition, we put a wager on it, and the loser needed to take a dump into the drink.
Good luck, Chris.
Good luck to you, Frank.
I don't need it. I want to be nice to him. I want to feel like I give him a chance. I love him. He's a great guy.
I think Frank's coming in a little overconfident.
He's just talking trash and trying to bait me, but he's got some really fabulous, like, C-grade fishing jokes.
Why wasn't the fisherman in the movie? He wasn't cast. Oh, something's wiggling.
Oh, little
yeah.
torpedo.
Hello, torpedo. Yes!
Not so fast, Shaffer. Not so fast, everybody. Not so fast.
I'm stoked. We got some northerns. Woo! Wiggle it just a little. Oh! Come here. Oh! 2, 1. It was a good match, but you know the rules. They're not in your favor. You want me to hold your glasses there?
No, I don't.
Okay. How's it feel?
Pretty good, actually.
Really?
Yeah, not bad.
Loser had to do in the lake.
I take a dive in the lake.
Yeah, a big one.
Well, who loses on a day like this when you get to dive in?
And I'm telling you what, we got on Northern. That was really fun.
It was. Jim Ernstner was our guide. Leisure Outdoor Adventures are based in Brainerd, and they do all the lakes in this area. Knowledgeable, fun, really good man. We appreciate his help.
Yeah, get out with Jim. He'll get you on the fish, and he's fun to hang out with, too.